Okay, so hi everyone and welcome to our daily webinar. Hope that you're good, hope that you're doing well, and hope that you are making some profit with us. If you have any questions, just feel free to use the chat and I will answer all the questions that you have. Okay, so let's start. Let me just start with the my published idea. Okay, I have posted there some ideas, and if you are following me on TradingView and also Telegram, you should be notified when we are watching for that kind of ideas. Okay, so year achieve what we do there. Okay, we are anticipating a wave to the upside, so we are watching there the lower time frame. When it will give us the price action and buy stops, then we will start buying it. Okay, so can it still make new low? No worries, guys, just be prepared. Okay, it can make new low and then it will start to push higher. So you will watch a lower time frame, then you will go for those buys. Okay, here GBP, there is also a nice trade which will be active in the upcoming week, but we have notified in our trading room. Okay, I have posted this one, and then we notified that we will see one more wave to the upside. Okay, and we decide there and we see that this last push to the upside. So what we'll do now, we will again watch for the wave to downside. Okay, if you will go down there under the idea, you'll see that I have already updated the setup. And yes, just wait for the price action and go for your sell setup. New Zealand USD, watch for buy setups. Okay, we've been tracking that since very long. We were thinking that it will correct there and then start to push high. It didn't, it just break down. So that didn't change the setup. Okay, we are still anticipating this to go for one more wave to the upside. Okay, but the question is this: will that start from here or it will go a little bit lower? Okay, we don't know. We just have to keep an eye that on lower time frame, and lower time frame will exactly tells us from where this will start to reverse. Okay, as you can see that there's also updated ideas, so you can also watch there to start it, to watch the price to start seeing some reactions. Okay, price action is needed. Okay, definitely you cannot just jump into the trade and see how far that will go. No. Okay, or if you want to go for that trade, put your stop loss there. Okay, entry will be there and that's your take profit, but that's not the way of trading. Okay, you will not make a lot of money. Okay, the point of trading and the point what we are teaching is that you will watch the lower time frame and try to catch the setup on lower time frame. Okay, this will give you a really nice percent and really nice risk to reward ratio. Okay, so yeah, you cannot go for that bigger time frame picture. Okay, because you'll not make a lot of money. Here's also idea. Okay, this is the Aussie USD idea. The trading queue has just banned my idea, so yeah, as you can see that it was hidden for violating one or more trading view rules. Okay, so why? I just posted there the YouTube link from the weekly market outlook, and yeah, I supposed not to do that. Okay, so yeah, this is the reason why they just banned my idea, but it was really nice. Okay, so it went down, so now we will just start to watch it for the buy. Okay, so no worries. Okay, it doesn't matter. So now you know what we'll be anticipating on Aussie USD. Okay, achieve that one went a little bit lower. Okay, but we will watch that to still bounce to the upside. Okay, that's not a reversing point, not now. Okay, I don't see that this will reverse completely to the downside. Okay, but let me just go now to all those pairs and I'll describe you step by step what you should do and which direction we will be anticipating. Okay, those setups can also change during the weekend, during the week. Okay, why? Because we are in our training room, we are watching the market every single day. Okay, every morning we are having a daily webinar. We go through all those charts and to all those setups and we look at the structure to see what is possibilities. Okay, so where are high possibilities to trade and what is worth of trading and where we have of a lot of percent to make. Okay, or a lot of winning trades. So yeah, let's go, let me just start. DXY, this is the dollar index. Okay, so what I do anticipate over there, I still see that this, it will just push to the upside. We can see the break of that tops. Okay, so yeah, let me just leave that 10 line, it can just confuses you. Okay, so this is what we can see. Okay, this can easily push to the downside. Okay, we have a nice wave there and yeah, it will end up somewhere there. Okay, after breaking, we'll see the reaction, and then we'll start it to push lower. Okay, we'll have there a big correction in the middle. Okay, that's much more a daily correction. Okay, as you can see that this, it will go and push one more down. Okay, this will go down, at least breaking all those bottoms. Okay, and from somewhere there we will see our reversal point, but it is not ready yet. As you can see, that buy, it is now in the play. Okay, the buy, it is trying to play out. Okay, this can start to push higher, give you a new high, break all those highs. Okay, and then you will start watching for the sells. Can that start to push lower earlier? Possible, but at the moment there is no signs of any reversal. Okay, we will watch that later. Okay, if there will be any strong break, great, then we'll watch for the correction and we'll go for the sell. Okay, then we'll see a break of those bottoms, but at the moment there is no sell setup. Okay, there is the nice buy setup which will plays out in the next few days, and just keep an eye for that short-term buy on DXY. Okay, so let's go. Let me just click that just a second, guys. Okay, so let's go. USD, what do we have there? Okay, that one is still looking for the downside. Okay, that structurally looks like for one more down, at least breaking that bottom, then it can reverse. Okay, but I do anticipate and I see that going a little bit deeper. Okay, something like that. It can even break and make totally new low, but then we will have to wait for a new impulse to the upside. Okay, but yeah, for now, what you can do, watch this strongly breaking to the downside. Okay, 1 hour, you can see we are correcting there, as you can see also on the DXY, but in DXY it is correcting to the upside, and your USD is correcting to the downside. Okay, so that's good. DXY, it will behave totally differently than DXY. Okay, so yeah, you just need to understand how DXY, how the dollar index, if the DXY is pushing higher, then your USD is going down. Okay, this is what I would like to say. So yeah, let's go with pound USD. What do we have there? Let me take a look on the bigger picture. I still see this going higher. Okay, there are no signs of any reversal. That's just the matter of just the question from where it will reverse. Will it reverse from here, or it will go a little bit lower? Okay, we don't know, and this is the reason why we just have to keep an eye over there. Okay, it will reverse, guys. Don't worry, it will reverse at any time soon, but at the moment it can go a little bit deeper. Okay, if you have any 1 hour correction, you can go for the sell and take off your profit 1 to 1. You have enough. Okay, so let's see the 1 hour structure. Nothing at the moment. Okay, so if you have there any sell setup, take it. Okay, and then take off your profit. Okay, so you can go for the short term sales. Don't hold them for long. Okay, so yeah, sell, sell, sell. Okay, and every time when it will make new low, take a profit. Okay, you don't want to take it, you don't want to hold it. Okay, so yeah, let's go. As USD, I see that this one, it will just start pushing higher. Okay, so you will be watching for the buy setups. You will ignore now the sell setups. I don't want to go for the sell. The sell, it's not big, so yeah, this is what you can catch over there, but we are not interested in that. We are focusing on this move. Okay, we want to see a wave to the upside over there, which is not ready yet. Okay, it will need some time. It can just correct over there, it can go tag that bottom, then it will start to reverse. Okay, so watching for the buy setups, watching for the price action, it's really good idea from the spot around previous bottoms. Okay, breaking previous bottom is quite possible before heading to the upside. So which one it will be, I don't know. Just watch it. Okay, just watch it and don't blindly jump into the buy when the price will tag the previous bottom. Okay, just clearly wait for your price action and go for the buy setup. New Zealand USD, okay, similar like I have already told you about under my shared ideas. Okay, so what you will do, you watch there for the price action, then you will go for the buy setups. Okay, you will take every buy setup all the way back to that trend line. Okay, at least breaking the tops. Okay, when you will break the top, you just have to be careful. Okay, don't go for the buy anymore. So you wanna get into the buy quite earlier before tagging that high. Okay, so be careful. Just watch there on 1 hour. 1 hour will tell you exactly in the right time when this will be ready. Okay, so yeah, just wait for the buy setups and go for the buy setups easily. Okay, be patient, don't just jump in. Jumping into the market can cost you a lot, so yeah, stay patient and watch for the price actions. USD cat. Okay, so what do we have there? That one, it is correcting over there. It can go also tag that high. Okay, so then we will have a tagging that high, then it can go down, it can go retest that bottom, then it can continue to the upside, or it can completely reverse. So which one it will be, we don't know. Just watch there. When you will tag the trend line, then it will be the time to watch it. Okay, you will watch there the 1 hour structure. The moment as you can see that we are correcting, we will go one more high. Okay, this is the buy setup which is trying to place out over there. It will push higher, tagging that high, then to start to reverse, going tagging that bottom. Okay, so keep an eye, and you will see how that will plays out. Okay, you can go for that sell. After having a price action, you can go for that sell. That's nice trade, and it can go really fast. Could be the similar move like that one. Okay, so yeah, let it go up. I'm not interested to go for that buy. Okay, this is what I will just watch. Let it go, and then I will watch for the reverse. USD chief. Okay, so this one could be quite difficult. Okay, why? Because we have there some impulse, we have there the correction, and now we are anticipating the impulse. Okay, so we can have a one more sell, and then we will go up, and then we will go down. Okay, so this is what we can have over there in the upcoming days. So if you're interested to sell, wait for the sell setup, wait for the nice sell setup, go for the sell, and then be careful around previous bottoms, okay, or around the trend line. It can reverse to the upside, breaking all those tops, and then it will go down. Okay, that's the daily structure, so be careful. It can easily do this. Okay, so let me show you once again. It will go down, tagging that bottom, then it will aggressively push higher. Okay, it will give you the big correction there. It can even go tag that high. Okay, so but not possible. First we'll watch there. Okay, we'll see around the previous top how the price will behave, and possibility exists going taking that high, then to go down. Okay, so this is the really big structure they're playing out. So if you watch there the daily, on daily you can see that clearly. Okay, we can go down, we can go up taking that high, or possibility also exists to taking that high, then it will go down, taking the previous bottom, then it will finally push to the upside. So just follow those indicators, or follow those charts. Okay, chart will always tell you where the price is about to go. So yeah, for now you watch this. Okay, this is what you will watch. Then you will watch for the buy. You can easily start watching for the buy, and after breaking that high, you will just start watching for sell. Okay, if not, if the price will be aggressive over there, if it will be aggressive, let it take the high, give it the price action, go for the sell. Okay, this sell will be really fast, and there's the nice money coming over there. So yeah, keep an eye, and you'll see. USDN, okay, that one it is still playing out over there. Okay, if you do remember, I see there the running flat. This is the running flat which is trying to appear over there, and then it will go down, and then it will start heading to the upside. So yeah, let me delete that. It can just confuse you. Okay, or let me just move that in away from our chart. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. So yeah, what do we do anticipate this can easily push higher, make new high. Okay, so then we'll have there the 4 hour running flat. Okay, 4 hour running flat which will go down really aggressively. Okay, so that can go almost in a straight line. Okay, something like that can appear there, and you definitely wanna then you definitely wanna get into the buy. Okay, because that buy will go really fast, and as you know that I'm showing that structure for a really long time. Okay, this move can break out of that structure, okay, easily. So yeah, for now keep an eye there on that running flat, how it will plays out. Okay, can you go for the sell? I don't think so. Okay, that can just give you the bigger correction, something like that, and then it can go higher. Okay, it can stay there, and then to go down. So it's getting quite complicated, as you can see there. It's not everything about the corrections and all those trend lines. Okay, guys, I seen that many of you are all the time asking me and showing me those 1 to 3 corrections and how you are counting the waves, and yeah, that's not correct, guys, how you are doing. Okay, it's not everything about counting 1 to 3 waves. Okay, if this will be so simple, then everyone will be making a money there on the forex market. Okay, so you just need to recognize what is impulse and what is correction. So this is the part which you will have to identify, and you need to be trained to be able to recognize those impulse and corrections. Okay, so yeah, what can we have over there? Okay, the price can give you there the bigger correction. It can go for something like that, give you there the correction, pushing higher, making new correction, and then it will start to push down. Okay, so can we also see that as a complete running flat possible? That could also be the possible completed running flat, and then it can start to push lower from the spot where it is right now. So what you will do, wait, let it drop, let it to correct, and go for the sell. Okay, but don't hold that sell to break all those bottoms. Okay, close your sell somewhere there. Okay, so what you will do, let it break, aggressively break, let it correct, go for the sell. Okay, after breaking all those bottoms, you can take off your profit. Okay, it's not gonna go and tag that bottom, the daily bottom. Okay, and yeah, you go for the buy. If you will get something like that, you can take that sell. Okay, as you can see that this will be short-term sell. Take that sell and take off your profit. Okay, then definitely you just wanna stick to the buy setups. Okay, so let's go. New Zealand Chief, what do we have there? The price is aggressively pushing lower. Okay, at the moment I see that this can go a little bit lower. Okay, bit deeper, and here's the specific chart. Okay, why? Because we just have to keep an eye there in the upcoming week, because it will shows us in next few days. If this will correct over there, then we will see a wave which will go all the way back to the bottom, or it will completely complete there, somewhere there, and then it will start to reverse to the upside. So be careful, watch their lower time frame correction. Okay, you just want to know which direction we are going. Okay, we can over there, and then we'll start to push higher. Okay, or it can struggle somewhere there, and then it can start pushing higher. Okay, so if you see something like that, we are going up. If not, then you'll have there the correction, and then you are going all the way back to the bottom. Okay, so yeah, be careful, take some time to identify the upcoming correction, and upcoming correction will exactly tell you where we are heading to. Okay, if you're okay, so I just got disconnected by microphone. Okay, so the correction will tell us if we are heading to the downside or we are heading to the upside. Okay, it depends everything on this correction. So keep an eye and you'll see. New Zealand cat, okay, I was thinking that this it would just start to push higher, give us some price action over there. It didn't. Okay, it didn't reverse. So what is the next possibility? This can just struggle over there. It is still one more option. Okay, it can go tagging that bottom, and then it can go up, break all those tops, and then to reverse the downside. Okay, so this could be a really big structure there in the middle. Okay, big structure there in the middle, it's possible. Here is the impulse, this is the correction. Okay, which can the correction can slightly change. Okay, we can have the bigger correction over there, and then to push higher, break all those tops. Okay, it can even go tag that high and then going down. Okay, so this is a really big move and big wave. So yeah, be patient and see. You just want to know from the spot where it is right now, are we going to the upside or are we going first tagging that bottom and then to the upside? Okay, so which one it will be? I don't know. Okay, I don't know at the moment, but it is possible that we will see the tag of that bottom, then you will see a wave to the upside. So I will just tag you that bottom. Okay, in case if the price will correct there, you can go for that sell, take off your profit, then you'll start watching for the buy. Okay, this is how you can trade it. Aussie New Zealand, okay, that one it is trying to push higher. Okay, this is the daily structure which is trying to push higher. Okay, probably we can see the tag of that high, but now at any time soon you will have the 4-hour correction. 4-hour correction will appear there before we will see the tag of that high. Okay, so what you can do, we were taking some buys over there with my traders in our trading room. Okay, there was the buy, nice buy. I have told my traders where they should go for the buy. Okay, and yeah, I am sharing with my traders all the time the setups they are taking, and they are making nice profits. So on the Friday, we again enter that Aussie New Zealand, and we will see how far that will go. Okay, we have the trade over there, and we're just trying to push higher. So where is it going? I don't know. Okay, but if this will start to reverse, we'll close that on a break even. It doesn't matter. And then we'll look at the structure. We'll see if there's the big correction which is trying to plays out, or we'll see a reverse, and then we'll see a bigger, no, not reverse, a bigger correction for our correction. Okay, so which one it will be? Keep an eye. But definitely you cannot go for the buy. Okay, you'll be able to go for the buy if this will start to correct over there. Okay, if this will correct over there, go for the buy. This will identify that we will have much more wave to the upside. Otherwise, just skip it. Okay. You're New Zealand. This one, it is keep forming the buy setup. As you can see that all the time we are having the buy setups. Okay, so what the price can do, the price can go for one more correction, go for the one more up, then we will have the bigger correction, and then we will continue to the upside. Okay, so this is how that can plays out. So if you want to go for the buy setup, let it to correct, let it give you some correction, take the trade and take off your profit on the buy. Okay, why? Because that can go at any time soon. It will just start to give you the bigger correction. Okay, it will correct there for the 4 hour. Okay, or it can even stay for the daily. But yeah, if that will give you the correction, take the buy. Okay, if that will correct order, take that buy, take it and see how far that will go. Okay, you can put that on break even, and yes, this. Okay, it can also correct back to the trend line. That possibility also exists, and yeah, go for the buy and you will see. Can it reverse the downside? Yes, of course it can, but from the spot where it is right now, there are no signs of any reversals. You can go for the sell. If this will break aggressively correct there, then you can go for the sell. Okay, this is where you will watch for your sell setups, but at the moment we are still keep watching for the buy setups. If that will be keep correcting and pushing higher, take the buy setup, take off a profit. Euro Aussie, okay, it is trying to reverse, trying to push hard. Oh, sorry, I have some lag. Okay, we are there in the big correction. Okay, this is the 4 hour correction. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, big sideways correction. 4 hour correction, which will give us the regular flat. Okay, the regular flat will appear over there. So what? How can I trade it? Okay, let it to correct. Let it to correct. Push. Let it push higher. Okay, so you can go for the buy setups after having the correction. Okay, that would be nice. Nice trade probably. Okay, I was thinking that this it will go and push a little bit lower. I didn't. Okay, so no worries. We don't have any sells. Okay, we didn't take any sell. And as you can see that we aggressively break higher. Okay, we aggressively break higher. So if this will correct, go for the buy. Take that buy and see how far that will go. Okay, it can correct, push higher, and then it can reverse, taking that bottom, and then it will go. So this can stay there for more. Okay, this can stay for a sideways movement for a couple of more weeks. So yeah, if this will go and take that bottom, no worries. That will not change the that will not gonna change the pattern. Okay, it will still be the regular flat. It will just change the time for how long it will be developing. Okay, so yeah, watch for the buy, take the buy. Aussie cat, stay away from it. Okay, I don't like it. There it is struggling too much, and yeah, just stay away from it. It is not tradable for us. There's also a bad risk to reward ratio. The price is also not moving anywhere, so yeah, stay away from it. Okay, it's not tradable, not yet. Okay, we just want to have some volatility. We need some volatility before we will watch for that pair again. Okay, Aussie chief, what can we see there? That will probably correct and push all the way back to that bottom. Okay, so yeah. What it can do, it can stay there for the sideways, it will correct there, and then it will push lower. Okay, so we can have there the big zigzag. Okay, so yeah, you can be selling all the way to break that bottom. Okay, so how it will looks like something like that. And yeah, you can, if that will correct, without correction you cannot sell. Okay, let it to correct over there, go for that sell. Okay, let it break that bottom, and then we'll relook at the structure and see if the possibilities for the upside exist. Okay, so everything depends now on this move, how it will behave. This will tell us everything. Okay, and you just have to recognize what this wave is trying to tell us. Okay, so yeah, keep an eye. You can go for the sell setups, take the sell setups and see how they will plays out around the previous bottom. Okay, this we can have there. Let me just squeeze it a little bit so you guys understand what I'm talking about. Okay, this, the big flat can appear there, which will push the pair to the upside, taking the trend line, then we'll see a wave to the downside. Okay, so big correction there in the middle. Okay, big correction there in the middle, pushing higher, taking the trend line, then we'll see a wave to the downside. But yeah, for now, go for the 1 hour sell setups or 15-minute sell setups. Be careful when you will take the previous bottom. Okay, so this is how you can trade it. Keep an eye and make some money. Okay, Chief, we are still in the structure. So I'm still seeing this wave to the upside, breaking that tops, and then we'll see a reversal. Okay, so yeah, this will stay there. It can also take the trend and give it a price action, then it will start at pushing higher. Okay, that can appear really soon. So watch for the buy setups. Okay, I don't see the possibilities for the sell. Okay, sell it's not ready yet, and that's not completed pattern for me. Okay, I'm still missing that one more wave to the upside, tagging that high. Okay, wanna see the tag of that high, and then I will watch for the reversal. Okay, so for the upcoming week, let it tag and just watch for the buy setups and tag that high, take off your profit, and you will see for the reversal. Your chief, what do we have there? Okay, as mentioned before, keep an eye there. It can go tagging that bottom, then it will go for one more buy. Okay, so as you can see that where we are at the moment, okay, it can go down, just breaking that top, and then it will just start to reverse. Okay, so keep an eye and see how that will result. But definitely you just want to go and take every single setup all the way back to the top. Okay, so that will be nice move, which is not ready at the moment. Okay, just don't be aggressive and just don't jump too early into that buy. Let it give you the nice buy setup before getting into the trade. Silver, okay, wonderful trade. Okay, we take that also in our trading room. Okay, so we were buying all the way back to the top. Now I personally take off my profit on Friday, and some of my traders also remove and take off their profits on Friday. Okay, because we can see and we can anticipating that this will correct over there. Okay, so it's not worth of holding the trade. Okay, we are all actually also at the top, really at the top, and that needs to correct and then pushing higher. So if you are also into the trade, okay, great, take off your profit. Okay, don't hold it for too long. That can reverse and give you the deeper correction, and it's not worth of close that on a break even. Okay, so try to close it with a profit. You should have a profit over there. Okay, so like I said, we in our trading room we were tracking that wave, and yeah, we had at least 4 trades over there. So what you can do, let it to correct, then you will go for the buy. But I think that you will stay away from it. Okay, if you are not into the trade, you cannot do anything. Okay, that can give you the bigger correction, and then it can continue to the upside. Okay, or if this will correct and stay for a sideways order, you can go for the buy and don't hold that buy for too long. Okay, if you get in, okay, and take off your profit. So this is how you can do. Stick to your buy setups. If this will go and try to push lower, you will see that this will give you the buy setup, and definitely you wanna go for that buy. Gold, okay, gold, it is trying to stay for a sideways. Okay, so what I do see there now, I see there the regular flat which is trying to appear. So yeah, I am seeing this going down, one more down. I don't see this continue to the upside. Okay, at least not now. There was some buy setups. If you take them, great. I didn't personally because I have the reasons why I didn't go for that buy. Okay, that's not gonna go far, and yeah, I just wanna see the tag of that bottom before I will go for the buy. Okay, so reasons are there, and my traders understand why we are not taking those trades. Okay, we just wanna have trades where we are making nice profit and fast profit. Okay, so we will be watching for that sell. If you'll find any sell setups during this week, okay, great, go for those sell setups. You can take those sell setups and you'll see how that will plays out around previous bottom, and then you will start watching to buy it. Okay, the buy could be really nice. There's the daily structure which can push, and we will see the tag of that high, okay, easily. So yeah, but let me first give you the bigger correction order, then I would like to see the tag of that high, and this is the really nice money which is coming over there on the gold. Okay, but it is not ready yet. Okay, let it correct order, let it to correct, and give it a bigger correction, the daily correction, and go for the buy. Okay, New Zealand yen. This is a trade which you will definitely don't want to lose. Okay, miss, sorry. This is the trade which you don't want to miss. That's gonna go really fast. So that will probably stay there on the Monday, and then it will give you some corrections and then some buy setups. Okay, so buy setups will be something like that, and you will be able to take all those buy setups all the way back to the top. Okay, it will go and completely break out of that structure. Okay, there's the big structure which is trying to appear there, and this move will be really fast, so try to catch that buy setup. Okay, you see, this is the much more the daily buy setup. Okay, so go for that move. There is 600 pip move. Okay, so 600 pip move is really nice move, and yeah, you should catch it. Okay, just there, watch there on the 1 hour structure. 1 hour structure will tells you exactly when this is ready, but at the moment this is trying to push lower. Okay, so watch it on Monday. You definitely want to watch it there, and yeah, just go for the buy setups all the time, taking the buy setups. So stick to your buy setups. I will be keep repeating because i don't wanna I don't want that you will miss those buy setups. So focusing on buy setups is a good idea. Good luck. Your cat, that one it is staying below the structure. The structure is trying to get bigger. So what can we have there? That can give it a correction and push higher. So let me delete that trend line. Okay, so this can correct there and push higher. So yeah, this could be wave one, correction, and then pushing higher. This will stay there, give it a bigger correction. Then you'll see wave to downside, which will go and break all those bottoms. Okay, so if you want to go for the buy, I don't want to go. I would rather watch for the sell. Okay, so ignore the buy, watch for the sell setups. When this will hit the trend line, you want to see for the price action, go for that sell. That sell, it's much better than this buy because this buy can reverse at any time soon. It can just break that and then reverse to the downside. So keep an eye. Okay, as you can see, that 1 hour structure. Okay, this is really small room which you're focusing on, and yeah, I'm not interested. I would rather watch for that sell. This sell will be better, and this sell will be fast move. So it will be worth of not taking it. Aussie, what do we have there? Okay, this is still trying to push lower. Okay, so yeah, that's not completed. I wanna see the push all the way back to the bottom. That will give us the nice flat there in the middle, which will push the pair to the upside. So yeah, what you can do, keep an eye there on the sell setups. Okay, go for the sell, go for the sell, go for the sell. Stop selling when you will hit that bottom. Okay, so or just simply take off your profit there. If you catch those sells, nice, and you can set the take profit there somewhere there. Okay, at 6.657, something like that. Okay, or yeah, you can just set your profit after breaking the bottom. You will see. Cadian, I still see that this will go down. Okay, that's just the question for how long. Okay, but you don't want to miss the buy. Okay, buy, it is what you want to go for. This buy will be really fast, and this buy can also break out of that structure. We can break out of that daily structure. So yeah, watch for the buy. You don't want to miss the buy. You can miss the sell. Okay, you can miss the sell, but definitely don't miss that buy. Okay, so how you can trade it, at the moment you can see that this is trying to push lower. It will probably correct, pushing lower. Okay, it will give you there the big flag or the big zigzag, which can go close that previous bottom, but I don't see that breaking that bottom. Okay, I don't see it. It will go at least breaking that bottom, and then it will go higher. So yeah, get ready. When this will break that bottom, you will see how that will plays out. Okay, something like that can just plays out over there, and then to start to push higher. Yeah, okay. So keep an eye. I'm just deleting some of those trend lines because I don't want to confuse you. Okay. So what the price is trying to do right now, the price will go something like that, and then we can see this big wave to the upside. So watch for your buy setups, okay? And yeah, there's no buy setup at the moment, just to let you know. This is the sell, which can go sell, sell, taking that height, and it will start to reverse to the upside. So yeah, ignore the sell setups. Chief Yan, what do we have there? I think that this is not all of the corrections. Okay, that's not all of the correction. and I see that this going higher, taking that high, and then going down, taking that bottom, and then pushing higher. Okay, so I see that GFN staying for a sideways movement for the next couple of weeks. Okay, this will behave over there. Okay, something like that, give us the flat and pushing higher. Can that give us the different correction? Of course, that can go lower, give us the flag, and then it will aggressively start to push higher. Okay, so this also exists, so be careful when you are going for the buy setups. Okay, so here's one of the setups from our daily webinars, and it's close on a break even. So what you can do now, let it to correct, go for the buy and take off your profit, or let it drop, let it make new low, and then you will go for the buy. Okay, so which one to be, I don't know at the moment. Okay, but definitely you don't want to go for the sell, ignore the sell setup, sticking to the buy setups. Can that correct over there and push higher? Of course, we will have the running flat over there. Okay, so the running flat, it's quite possible over there. Okay, one, two, and three running flat can appear over there, and then you'll see the push all the way back to the top. You will take off your profit on your buy, and then you will go for one more sell, and then we'll go to the upside. Okay, so be careful and trade how I have already shown you. Just stick to my analysis. Yurian, that one similar scenario, exactly similar scenario. We can see the running flat over there, pushing higher, taking that high, going down, and then it will go up. So similar, nothing has changed. Euro GBP, what do we have there? Okay, I still see this for the downside. It doesn't matter if I have shown you the setup from there, it will go down. Okay, that didn't change my big picture. I still see that all the way back to that bottom. Okay, we will see the break all those bottoms. So why? What is the reason? On Friday, I have seen that this it will push higher. Based on that, I see that it will going up. It will go fast to the upside and then start to reverse. So what I can do, I will watch now for the setups. Okay, and every one of you who is following me and who is following our webinars, watch for your setup. That okay, so don't miss that sell. You should not miss it. Okay, you made at least, I don't know, 5 to 6% all the way back to the bottom. Just keep an eye there on the lower time frame. Okay, it will just give you the sell setup, sell setup, sell setup, sell setup. Take every single sell setup, but when you will break that bottom, you can stop. Okay, so just adding your sells, it will give you a nice profit over there. Pound New Zealand, I see this pushing higher. We were watching that in our daily webinar, and we are counting that as a running flat, and we will just start to push higher aggressively. Okay, so watch for your buy setups, and you will see how far that and how strong will that start to push. Okay, so buy setups, watch it, go for the buy setup. Pound cat, wait for the price action, go for the buy setup. Okay, similar like there. Okay, so this is the wave which we are anticipating, pushing all, it can push all the way back to the previous top. So yeah, there is 1000 pip movement. Okay, so how you can catch it? Simply, just by watching their 1 hour time frame, which is trying to stop, it will stop really soon. Okay, that's not a behavior which will push the pair all the way back to the bottom. Okay, and we are not watching that as a sell, as a sell which will go and break that bottom. Okay, we are watching now for the buy setups. So keep an eye there for the buy setups. You should take it. Take it at least breaking that top, and then you will see a reversal. But yeah, buy setups is what you will have to focus on. Pound Aussie running flat will probably appear over there. So as you can see, that is the only one wave. Okay, so I want to see the running flat over there, and then you will keep pushing lower. So what you can do, you can go for the buy setups. Okay, you can take that buy setup, and you'll see how far that will go. But soon as it will probably stop somewhere there. Okay, and then it will go down. Okay, the move could be really fast as that one. Okay, so similar move can appear over there, really fast move all the way back to that high. Okay, and then you will start watching for a sell setups. You will go break that bottoms, and then it will completely reverse to the upside. So which one it will be, I don't know. Just keep an eye, and be patient, okay? Just don't jumping in without having the buy setup. Pound chief, it went down, so no worries. If any one of you take that sell, great. Okay, there was the sell setup. If you take it, great. I didn't personally, I didn't, because I wanna see the running flat there, which it didn't appear. So no worries. I didn't take that sell setup, but it was nicely visible. Okay, on the Friday there was the nice sell setup. If you take it, great. And yeah, move that on break even. You'll see how far that will go. Can that go break all the way to that bottom? Of course, that can break and push all the way to the previous bottom. Okay, so this possible. So yeah, keep on adding on sell setup. So how can I trade it? Let's see. Let's give it a correction, sell, correction, sell, correction, sell. Okay, so stick to our sell setups. Pound yen, what do we have there? Let's see. Let's take a look. Okay, the price is not ready yet. You can go for the sell. If you find there any sell setup, go that take that short term sell. Okay, so how you can trade it? If there it will be the setup sell, you can take it. Okay. Okay, so I have one question. Can I talk about your GBP again? Yeah, I can show you fastly the your GBP. Just stay with me until the end of the meeting. I will show you once again the your GBP, so no worries. I will show you and I will explain you. Natural gas. So there on Friday there was the sell setup. If you take it, great. Okay, it will go and tag that previous bottom. Okay, so you can nicely trade those sell setups. If you have more sell setups, you can go for it. Okay, if not, let it tag it. Okay, let it tag that area, and then you'll watch for the buy. Okay, but first, like I said, don't go for the buy earlier. You want to see the tag of that bottom before going for the buy. Okay, so you can also skip it for the whole next week. Okay, USD Mexican. Let's see. Let's take a look. What do we have there? I see this going down. Okay, I see this going down, at least breaking all those bottoms. Okay, it can give us the nice pattern over there. Okay, so how we will look at that structure, that there it could be the running flat. Okay, this could be the big huge running flat there in the middle. Okay, so running flat over there, and then it can just pushing lower. Okay, so can I go for the sell? Yeah, of course. If you find there any sell setups, you can go. You can take that sell after breaking that bottom. You wanna take off your profit. Okay, so don't hold it. Just take off your profit when it will break that bottom. SP 500, it is nicely reversed to the upside. Okay, and yeah, there's the nice pattern which is completed. So what you can do, watch for the buy setups, go for the buy setups all the way to break those tops. Okay, so you want to see the break of that top. I will tag it, and yeah, what you'll do in the upcoming week, just keep an eye there, and buy setups are your priority. So can that go for the bigger sideways correction? Of course, this can go and correct for the bigger correction, but definitely you want to go for the buy. Okay, so I will let my arrow over there, so don't miss that buy. Okay, go for the buy setups. After breaking that high, take off your profit or move everything on break even. Okay, but taking the profit off will be a nice idea. Yeah, just a moment. I will check the Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Just give me some minutes. I will show you and we will watch that. Okay. US 30, what do we have there? That will correct there and push higher. Okay, so that could be the correction. So there's the quite tricky part. Okay, because if this is the running flat, this should go up. But as you can see, that wasn't a running flat. Okay, why? Because we just started to push lower, and that's showing me that this is the pattern right now, which will start to push higher. Okay, so this is just the part of the impulsive wave to the upside. Okay, so we have the impulsive wave to the upside, bigger correction over there, and now we will just start to push higher. So yeah, let's see what do we have there. Okay, so this could correct over there and then can push higher, but be careful, we are on the spot where we can see a reversal. If this will stay somewhere there, it can also give us a nice reversal point. So try to stay away from the US 30. Okay, this is the quite tricky part, and you don't know how to react. We can stop there. Okay, let me just demonstrate there. We can stop there and we can count that as a running flat, which will drop lower. Okay, so how you can watch that? This is the impulse, this is the running flat, and this running flat will push for one more wave to the downside. Okay, or we can watch that as a correction, 1 2 3, and we are over, and now we are about to push higher. So which one it will be, we don't know. You can simply take the buy setup, okay, let it correct, you can go for the buy, okay, put your stop loss somewhere there, your entry will be somewhere there, go for that buy. After taking that trend line, you will put your stop loss on break even. You want to protect yourself because there is no clear picture what is it trying to play, what is it trying to show. Okay, this chart, it's not clear at the moment. Okay, it could be quite tricky just because of this part could plays out really bad. Okay, and there's also not clear picture. Like I said, this could be a wave to the upside, so be careful. UK 100 pushing higher, so watch for a buy setup. So that will go probably 1 2 and 3, breaking that bottom, give it the flat over, then it will just start to push higher. Okay, so yeah, you can go for the buy setup. Okay, nice buy setup, it's coming over there, and yeah, you can trade it all the way to tag that high. UK oil, wonderful setups. Okay, so it breaks out. If you have the buy setups, okay, there was one more buy setup. If you take that buy, great, you have a nice profit, but you cannot go for the buy anymore. Okay, you are done with your buys, and if you missed it, okay, no worries. Do not panic. Okay, it will give you the correction. You can go for the correction, take the buy, but don't hold it for long. It needs to give you the bigger correction if this will completely reverse to the upside. Okay, so yeah, short-term buy setup 1 to 1 if you will have it. If not, let it go. Okay, so what we have there, that one, it is trying to push higher. We will see the tag of the trend line probably, and from there we will see if this will start to reverse, and we will probably push all the way back to the bottom. But I don't see it will tag one more the zero level. Okay, zero price will not be tagged once more, and yeah, I see there the bigger correction which can stay for the sideways, and then we'll start to push higher. Okay, platinum. So what a platinum can do, it can stay there, it will still go down. Okay, the correction is still not over for me. Okay, I still see this part needs to go down. Okay, is that invalidated the setup? No, it didn't. Okay, that just show me the bigger correction. So when I can go for the sell, when this will start aggressively breaking down, you can go for the sell and take off your profit, and you will watch for the buy. Can this start to push higher? Possible, but I don't see. Okay, that's not completed structure for me. Okay, this is not completed structure. Or if this will push a little bit higher, then push down, then we will count that as a running flat, and this will go higher. But definitely without having a pullback, without having the correction, that's not gonna push higher to the upside. Okay, but let's wait for taking that bottom first. If this will push higher, then this will be the running flat. Which one it will be? I don't know. Just keep an eye on it. Okay. So Bitcoin, what can we have and what can we anticipate over there? It is trying to correct. Okay. If this will go and stop somewhere there, go for the buy setup. Okay. You definitely wanna take that buy setup. Okay. So why? Okay, let me just show you. There's the bigger structure which will push the pair all the way back to the previous high, more higher. Okay, so yeah, going down, tagging the previous bottom, then you will start watching for the buy setups on your lower time frame. Okay, so as you can see there, there's the nice regular flat which is trying to plays out right now. Okay, so 1 2 3, tagging the trend line. It can also go and tag one more, once again the trend line, and then we will see for the upside movement. Okay, so yeah, keep an eye. Which one it will be, we don't need to know. Okay, the 1 hour structure will try to tell you when this is going down. That can break down, correct, break down, correct, break down. Okay, it will stop somewhere there, give you the expanded flat, and then it will continually push to the upside. Ethereum USD, okay. So Ethereum USD, what can we anticipate over there? That's still not a wave to the upside. If this will correct over there, let it correct. You can go for the buy. Go for the buy. You will see the tag of that high. Okay, let me see the daily structure. Yeah, we can see that one more push to the upside. So what can we anticipate there? Let it to correct. Okay, let it to correct, pushing higher. Okay, be careful. Without correction, you cannot go into the buy because it can reverse. Okay, this impulse is still valid. Okay, so it can reverse the downside. So be careful. Let it give you the correction before buying. Okay, don't just blindly get into that buy. Litecoin. Let's see. It is correcting. It is correcting, and this can break down at any time soon. Okay, so watch it. If this will start aggressively breaking down, take the sell. Take the sell, and you will see how far that will go. Put your stop loss somewhere there. Your entry will be somewhere there on the strong break, and this can go and tag that bottom. So yeah, your eyes are on strong break to the downside. Can that correct over there and push one more up? Yes. If this will correct over there, go for that buy. You can take that profit off, and you will watch for the sell. Ethereum USD. Okay, so Ethereum, it is trying to correct over there. It will go for one more down. Okay, so if you take that sell, great, you did a nice job. And yeah, this can go for one more down. Let me see the daily structure. What do we have there? Yes, this is gonna go down. Okay, that's gonna go down, at least tagging that bottom. Okay, so what can you do? Watch there. Watch this going down. So catching the sell setups will be a nice idea. Okay, let it to correct. If this will correct over there, something like that, you can watch to buy above that high. Okay, that can go and tag that high, then to go down. Okay, so two possibilities. This needs to break, and it can go down. And aggressive move, it's needed. Okay, Ripple, also similar picture. Okay, let it push higher. I want to see the push higher. Let's see the 1 hour. It's not so clear setup, but you can only sell on a strong breakdown set. Okay, if something like that will appear, go for the sell. Take off your profit over there. Okay, this is your profit area. Okay, this will be fast trade. This could just spike down. You can take the you can take the trade and take off your profit when it will break that bottom. Okay, so that could be a nice fast money just because of this. Okay, as you can see that it can go down. So copper, what it's trying to do, if this is the running flat, okay, if this is the running flat, we'll see really soon price started to push higher. So what it can do over there, it can go down tagging that, and at any time soon it will just start to push higher. So buy stops, watch for your buy stops, and keep on adding. Okay, so someone of us wanted to Euro GBP to show them again. Okay, yeah, of course, no problem. I will show the Euro GBP once again. Let me just find it. Where is it? It is somewhere there. Okay, so yeah, this is the Euro GBP. We are watching there for the sell, and you definitely wanna go for the sell. Is the sell ready? No, it is not ready yet. Okay, you just wanna have the sell set up before going for that sell. Okay, you can take all the sell setups all the way back to the bottom. Okay, after breaking the bottom, take off your profit. Okay, but you watch there, watch the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame will start to give you the sell setups. Okay, you can go and take every single setup all the way back to the bottom. Okay, so no worries, no rush. The price will not go anywhere without you. Okay, just focus on your sell setups. Okay, so there was one more question. Can you check Ethereum versus Bitcoin? Of course, let's see. I don't have it on my watch list, but now I will have it. Okay, Ethereum versus USD. Let's see, let's take a look. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, sorry. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's see what we have there. Let's see the bigger structure. That's gonna go and tag new low, and then reverse to the upside. So let it go down, breaking that bottom. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, this will go break that bottom. Okay, so you will see you can take that sell setup if you want to go for that sell, and then it will definitely start to push higher. Okay, so this is the wave to the upside, is really nice. So you can go for that buy setup. Okay, that can go a little bit deeper. Okay, depends, but after breaking that bottom, you don't want to sell it anymore. But at the moment, there is the, let's see, what do we have there on 1 hour structure? I think this it will go down and breaking all those bottoms. Okay, I see it. I see pushing down. Okay, this is what I see. So yeah, you can go on the strong breakdown. You can take that sell setup, and when you hit that bottom, you can take off your profit. Okay, so this is how you will trade it. And yeah, I'm not personally watching on that chart. Okay, that's first time that I watched that Ethereum Bitcoin, because we are usually not trading. But Here you can see that how our strategy is powerful, and we can analyze every chart as we want. Just we need to master that skill. Okay, so yeah, keep an eye for that break of that bottom and go for the buy. Okay, buy will be really nice. Let's see the weekly structure. What else do we have there? Yeah, of course, it can break down, breaking that bottom, then it can push higher. If this move will be aggressive, it can go breaking that low and then to go continue to the upside. So yeah, you can go for the sell, like I have told you, go for the sell, take the sell, and if this will be aggressive further, keep it until the price is aggressive. You can keep it. Okay, so that's all. So guys, hope that you have enjoyed our weekly market outlook. Okay, the recordings will be posted there on TradingView and also on our YouTube channel. So in case if you missed it, you can simply you can simply subscribe to our channel and watch it. So next time you will not miss the live. Okay guys, so I hope that you enjoyed. Hope that you are taking some profit from those setups, and please help us to share the link with others. Okay, take care and may the profit be with you. Bye bye.